You search for how to buy shares of Lion Electric Co. The Lion Electric designs and manufactures electric buses and commercial electric vehicles and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LEVGQ. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LEVGQ to find the stock. Select the listed lionelectric.co/the result to ensure you have the correct security. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm details. Make sure the page displays Lion Electric Co/the and the LEVGQ ticker before you proceed. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if there are not enough funds, the platform will request you add money before finalizing. After the trade executes, you will see the position in your portfolio with your current holdings. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same process.